You ready? Oh, it's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. Look at the size of that dog, like a little rat. The amount of shit I see on the ground is unbelievable. If you've got a dog, pick up your shit. For a small dog, he does let out a big load for his size. Unbelievable. You should see it. So what's the dish? What am I going to be doing? Braised beef, pancake action. I fancy some pancakes with some... I've had this before and it's really, really good. Store-bought braised beef. Now, there's crappy ones, there's good ones. And there's a Meg. This is not an ad. This is not an ad. Hormel. They do some fantastic store-bought stuff. And braised beef. They do beef tips and in a jus and some other stuff and pork and chicken and some sort of good sauces. And but I do like their braised beef. And there's nothing wrong with that. I just can't be arsed to do braised beef. It's for supper. It's quick. So I'm gonna spice it up like a little bit. Homemade pancakes, which are fantastic, and just put a little bit of spin on it. But it's really, really good. So that's it. Hormel, slow simmered roast beef au jus. And like I said, this is not a bloody ad. But these, if you're in a bit of a stum and you can't be arsed to cook like me, get this. Just wanna show you. This normally goes in the microwave, but it doesn't look much, but it is delicious. So I've got my beef, green onion, ginger, jalapeno because I love some heat. It's a bit of an Asian vibe, but not really. And I'm going to do something with these tomatoes. I'm going to roast these tomatoes in a little few bits and bobs. But it's going to be good, man. If you want to know how to do braised beef, I'll put a link up there and you can make it from scratch. I just can't be arsed. So first what I need to do is roast these toms with the vine, because the flavour's there. So keep the vine and we'll just quarter them. So grab the roasting pan, put all the tomatoes in, also the vine. This time of year, tomatoes are beautiful. It smells like a garden. Just a little bit of jalapeno, just sliced in half, and boom. With the seeds. Numb nuts here, forgot to put the sound on. So what I added is olive oil, balsamic, no I didn't. Olive oil, I put some olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, garlic cloves, the vine, which you saw. I'm gonna plug it in the oven. This is what I love when I first get ginger. I just sniff it. Man, that's fantastic in teas. But just that smell. You know, them pastes are okay, you know, but you can't get that. You can't be the real thing. Tie that to my nose and walk around with it. Right, so, am I on? I'm on. Right, crank the gas up. Oh, I love it. Love it. Pour all that. And slowly just bring it up to heat.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
You didn't shake it?
No, Papa.
Say it again.
No, Papa.
Original.
Hard. So I just want to add a little extra flavour and little slithers of ginger in there. What I'm doing, I'm reducing that jus for more flavour and I'm gonna add my ginger in. And even though it's store-bought, it smells amazing. Especially with that ginger as well.
Ginger. I love
Pancakes. English pancakes.
I love pancakes.
You like pancakes?
Yeah.
Me too. But it's not your type of pancakes.
Okay.
It's not the American pancakes.
Okay.
It's the English pancakes.
Oh, I want pancakes. I want pancakes too.
That is what you want right there. That vine has done its job. Add a little bit more flavour. So we'll take that out. And just to wake them up, a little bit of, balsamic. Just over the top. Give them a little shake. Smells amazing. So that's reduced, it's done. I'm going to take out the ginger, but the smell, I know I keep saying it, but it smells amazing. Do you think it smells amazing? It does smell amazing. So yeah, I'm going to put that to one side, keep it warm, and I'm going to make the pancakes. But I need to take this ginger out, and I'm going to add at the end some green onion. And that's it, it's very, very simple. Yeah, it's very simple.
Yummy.
Yummy. It feels like a bloody advertisement for Perrier water, but it's not. I'm going to do this by eye. So flour in, about 2 eggs. I want some basil. I just want to.
I love basil.
You like basil? Me too. I'm going to put that in there. That will flavour the pancakes nicely.
Oh, wow.
I'm just going to whisk it now.
Let's get all right.
Let me get the eggs in there. This is by eye.
I love milk.
And then we just give it a whisk. Oh, I know you like milk.
Yeah, I like milk.
You want it single cream consistency. You don't want it too thick. You want your eggs to be pale yellow.
Yeah.
And you want your eggs to be pale yellow.
Yeah.
Don't you, dude?
Yeah. I love
Right now, just going to season it.
Oh, I love this.
You like it?
Yeah.
Right, what do you need to make a good pancake? Make your life a lot more easier than use some bloody pan spray. That's what you need. So get your pan hot, not piping hot, then add the spray. Never a cold pan. Keep saying that.
Oh, wow. I want to smell it.
You can't smell it.
Yeah.
The first one's always a bit dodgy, always. But can you flip? Can I flip a pancake?
Of course.
Of course.
There you go.
Like I said, the first one's always a bit dodgy, and after the first one, it's pretty much plain sailing. So spray your pan good, and I mean real good. Add your pancake. Just give it a little turn, and you want it to get nice and brown underneath. And just get a spatula, just release it. Looking good. Abigail, do you think I can toss this pancake? Are you going to see me throw the pancake? Come on.
Ooh.
You ready? You did good.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's done. So put that on a plate. I'll do the next one. Let's get this sorted out. So let's tuck in. That is delicious. It really is. You can taste the ginger, the basil in the pancake. Everything just works. Store-bought, but it's delicious. And if you can't be arsed to do braised short ribs or braised beef, do this. Nothing wrong with it at all. Nothing wrong with it at all. If you live in America, if you've got a Publix, go and get a Hormel. This is not a bloody ad. Hormel, I think they're the best. So yeah, have a go at this. These Stevescooking recipes are just inspired. They're not written down recipes. It's what I have for my supper, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas. So yeah, this is amazing. So that is supper sorted. Get your arse in the kitchen and do some cooking. Anyway, thanks guys.